Want better graphics in Free Fire but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to increase graphics in Free Fire. So without any further ado, let's get started. At the top right corner of your screen, there is settings icon. Tap on it. Then click on the display button from the left side of your screen. On the right side of graphics, there are three options. Now click on the Ultra button. Selecting higher graphics quality may cause the device to experience excessive heat or lagging more. So if you are sure, tap on the OK button. And that's how you can increase graphics in Free Fire. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.